members and my friend who has raised the question, Honorable Speaker, the information is as follows, that on the 5th of April 2023, the area member of parliament, accompanied with a group, went to Moja Primary School, and there was another rival group, and there was a confrontation that ensued between the group that was with the member of parliament and the group that also emerged from the school community. In the fracas, Honorable Speaker, 3 people were shot at and 3 sustained some injuries. The matter was reported to the Directorate of CID, and the information that we have been able to confirm is that the person who shot at the 3 innocent people is the security personnel who is attached to the Honorable Member of Parliament, one known as Eri Ojuang Omoro, and the necessary investigations have been done by the police and is due to be arraigned in the Makadara Law Courts on the 12th May 2023. So that was what happened, that the Honorable Member of Parliament went to the school, and the members, the parents, and others, there were 2 groups, and that is how the fracas came about. The second set of the question, Honorable Speaker, sir, is the disciplinary action that has been preferred against the head teacher and the board of management following the invasion of the school. As I've said, the necessary investigations are being done by the CID and other relevant agencies in the government, and according to the investigations and depending on the outcome of the investigations, those found culpable, the necessary disciplinary action, no doubt, will be taken, because so far there is that one person who has been taken to court, and the investigations are still ongoing, and depending on the outcome, we will be able to take the necessary administrative action, including disciplinary action to those who were involved in this. The third set of the question, Honorable Speaker, is that the government policy is very clear that indeed nobody is supposed to operate private business within the school premises, and we did establish that before November 2022, there were a number of businesses that were being transacted within the school compound, which was against the government policy, and following the complaints, and more so from the Member of Parliament, the necessary remedial action has been taken on this, and all the businesses that were being conducted in the school have now been closed down. Among the businesses that were being conducted in the school was that, one, there was a container in the school where we had a canteen. We also have a swimming pool in the school, which was done using CDF funds by the former Member of Parliament, and we also did establish that indeed members of the public have been accessing the swimming pool, and we are also taking action to ensure that what the school administration, the board of management allowed was not proper, particularly members of